Hi guys, I am back, and it's a Clash Royale video. Nothing too special with quests and cards and doing stuff. Alright, we got coins, 4 barbarians, 12 ice spirits, 12 and 4 wizards, 3 musketeers, and 8 minions. So I got that upgrade available. I could open this chest. So there's nothing in the shop right now. 1 more ice spirit to level 7. Yeah, that's requests and cards. Leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you will, please. I don't know why, but I'm just feeling a little down. So I don't know. So say hi to YouTube. Anyone curious? This is my clan, and I am number 4, or actually number 5, coming in at 2,224 trophies. And I just joined it. I just joined this tournament. Nothing. I like 5 minutes ago. There's really nothing too special about it. So let's check out my replays. Yeah, these 2. Well, these 4. I think the 5th one. Yeah, these 5 have been for tournaments, and some of them have been level higher than me. So, So let's check out the first replay we have. This one is I've reached this arena. It's not my first time, and let me turn off my air conditioner. So this hasn't been my first time being here, but yeah. So I start. I'm trying to fix something over here, and so yeah. So he drops down a Valkyrie and I drop on a Musketeer. And he drops a Warrior Giant. He wasted all his elixir on it, and he zaps to make matters worse. And he's gonna drop his goblins, and I think I put a Valkyrie here. I don't think so. I put my Hog Rider down, and I put a Poison down. So, yeah, we're in the lead right now. That's good. And with the pump, if you guys have it, or any of my viewers, if you have it, you have to use it. The pump is amazing. Usually in decks that are very expensive, like a 4.0 or higher, you need to have one. Trade out your a card that you really don't need, and put one in there. So here he put a Royal Giant, I think. I don't know. I think he puts a Royal Giant down right now, and my Hog goes off to the side, or I think he puts his Minion Horde. I think he puts his Minion Horde. That's what I would do. No, yep, he drops a Royal Giant down. I knew it. So here, I zap the Minion Horde, because once they get here, the Musketeer could just one-shot them. You also need to see if you have enough elixir to counter or to push. So he's gonna put his Hog Rider down immediately. I think he does. No, I don't think he doesn't. So I pop up again. I usually try to have my Valkyrie or Musketeer open so I can defend. Because if I don't defend any rush that they have, well, I'm pretty much dead. So he drops down Barbarians, and I know that. I drop down my Poison, and I zap the Barbarians because I needed to get them out of the way. And here I don't have my zap spell to zap the troops, so I put an Inferno, and he zaps the Inferno, which was a very big mistake because my Valkyrie targeted on his Hog. So I put a Valkyrie, and it took down the Hog Rider, the 2 elixir goblins. And here he drops Barbarians, but he thought he was going to get the Hog, which he really didn't. And my Valkyrie didn't die. So there's only 10 seconds left. And at this point, I pretty much spammed out. I put it at that location because I thought the Hog was going to get there, but it wasn't. He put a Royal Giant down. And the Royal Giant outranges most things. Like, even a bomb tower, I think it outranges it. I don't know, I have to see. So, that was one. And, yeah, so, I don't know if you guys want me to make more videos, or if I should just stop. I don't know. So, we're gonna jump into a live attack. Oh, we're on Frozen Peak. I don't think we're gonna make it, cause yeah, I seen he's at 23-19, and I don't think we're gonna make it, cause he's we might have a chance, cause his cards are, I think, a lower level of mine. I've seen some level 8 with like a level 3 princess, and yeah, crazy stuff happening. But okay, I'm gonna save up my elixir. Yeah. So, I'm gonna drop that, and if he drops like a wizard or anything, I'm just gonna put my Valkyrie down. I'm gonna zap all of that, just so that my towers could just one-shot them. I'm gonna save, because I don't want to drop down my hog right now. I want to pump up, so I'm gonna wait till I have 8 elixir, so I could use my musketeer for defense, or I push with the hog and 1 elixir skeletons. Yeah, I won't be able to, yeah, I think I will. Oh, I don't have my Valkyrie in I don't have my Valkyrie in rotation. No. Oh, it's the next card. Oh, thanks. Give me one more pump, you little pump thingy. Oh, no. This is bad. Yep. Valkyrie and Hog are very strong. Like, really, extremely strong. Yeah, my pump wasn't in the best place. Yeah, I don't know what to do now. I'm gonna wait till that dies. Just for distraction, and I'm gonna zap. I'm barely touching his tower. Literally, just my hog just got 2 hits, and yeah, it's not looking too pretty for us. Alright, double elixir. I'm gonna save that. I am going to drop off my Inferno this time, because I don't want to screw up how I did last time. Just put a Valkyrie there, and yeah, even a raged Valkyrie won't take anything out. The poison, he has barbs, I know that. I think we're gonna lose this one. I'm not sure about this. We only have 30 seconds left, honestly. Oh, dang it. My stand fell. Crap. Yeah, we lost. Dang it, dudes. Just little GG. Alright, good game. You won that one fair and square. You're only gonna get about 50 trophies right now. What? 21? He was way ahead of me. Oh, well, I really don't care anymore. So, yeah, my stand fell right now, so I really don't know. So, all in all, I'll leave you guys to it, and, what should I say? Well, next time I see you guys, this was Skywolf, and forever